This is a video for employers demonstrating how to create a job. Let's get started. Go to edubild.com. Click on Employer button. Click on Sign Up to create an account. Enter the required details in two parts of the partner registration form. Click on Register to send employer account verification request. You will receive a confirmation mail from us shortly to mark your verification. After verification, you can go to Employer Login page to enter your email and password to log in. You are now on the Edubild Employer Portal dashboard. Let's create your first job post. Click on Create Job. Fill the required details and click Next. You can edit question criteria by clicking Edit button. Click Submit to create job post. Congratulations, you have created your first job post. To check active jobs, click on My Jobs. By clicking List of Participants, you can view participants. You can download candidate details by clicking on Export button. You can also delete a post by clicking the Block button if required. Thank you for choosing us.